Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today I'm doing something I haven't done before. This is my garden area behind me. I used my John Deere 1025R and my scrape blade, my front end loader, and I moved all my topsoil out of the way. I'm taking my John Deere LA 115 and my Troy built chipper shredder, and I'm picking up leaves in my yard. And as I bag them with the John Deere, I come over here, I run them through my chipper shredder into my garden. And then when I get my pile finished, I take my John Deere tractor and I move my topsoil back over the top of the leaves. Hopefully that way they'll compost a little quicker for next spring. Normally I just put the leaves on top, and in the spring it works okay, but I've heard about this, so I thought I'd try it. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and in the springtime we'll do another video, let you know how it worked out. Okay, now I'm going to get back to it. First I'm going to crank my tractor up, get it out of the way. Then I'll crank up my chipper shredder because I leave it idling when I'm not running stuff through it. Crank up my lawnmower, fill the bags up, come back, put the chipper shredder at full speed. Then I'll dump the bags in here and just repeat. And that's what I'm doing. So here we go. I had to wait on it to stop so you could hear me. You can see my garden soil looks like this. When I started, it was just Carolina red clay. It was just as red as it could be, hard, couldn't dig in it. I've been doing this for a number of years now. I put my leaves here, believe me, I got a lot of leaves. And now my garden has black dirt. I probably scraped off at least 6 or 8 inches off the top. And as you can see, I still got black dirt still under that. If I go much deeper, you get into the red stuff. But yeah, I build it up a little more every year. And that's why I do this. Like I said, in the past, I've always just put the leaves on the top. And I'll have quite a mound here when I'm done. But you know, that's what I'm doing this year. Scrape the dirt off, put the leaves down, put the dirt over the leaves, see if they'll compost a little quicker. So anyway, that's what I'm trying this year. So I just wanted to show you, and I got to get back to it. Hello, this is the next day. I'm still out here working on getting left leaves because I got a lot of leaves. But I want to show you, late yesterday, I used my tractor and I moved more of my topsoil back out of the way to give a little more room for leaves down through here. And I want to show you, because I scraped down a little bit further than I had yesterday. This is the kind of dirt I started with. When I started my garden here, that's all I had was this red clay looking stuff. And I consistently keep composting, and this is what I got now. A lot better than this stuff. So just wanted to take a minute and show you that. And now I'm going to get back to mulching more leaves and putting them in here. And like I said earlier, when I'm through, I'll cover them up with the dirt, and we'll see how well it composts this year doing it that way. Well, we're running way behind here because of rain and various things. We've been about a month since we started this project. It's now the second week in January, and we should have had this finished up a month ago. But today, sorry if it's a little bit windy. It's trying to sprinkle rain on us a little bit, but we're going to try and get this finished up today. We're going to level out our leaves a little bit better than what the chipper shredder did. Then we're going to take the tractor, move the dirt over the top of them, and hopefully get this project finished up. I don't know if you can tell or not from the video, and I got my tractor running, that may be drowning you out some, but I intentionally got the leaves thicker up at the top than I do down at the bottom, because over the years, my good compost and good dirt has migrated downhill some, so the soil at the top of the garden hasn't been as good as what's at the bottom. That's why I've got the leaves thicker at the top, to give me more compost up there. So now we're going to proceed, move the dirt over the leaves. Well, there you have it. Not real happy with the way this turned out, to be honest with you. I feel like I've compacted my good garden soil too much. The problem is it's wet, and it's just probably not going to dry out until well into probably summertime at this point. And now it's starting to rain on me. But anyway, we're trying this. We're going to see how it works. Putting our leaves under our soil for our garden instead of putting the leaves just on top and letting them compost over the winter. And come springtime, when we till the garden, we'll let you know how this worked out. If you've ever tried this, please put something in the comments and let us know how you did it and how it worked out. I'd really be interested in knowing your thoughts and comments. And if you find this interesting, please click like on our video. And if you're interested in saving money, doing things yourself, gardening projects inside, outside the house, subscribe to our channel, and it'll make it a lot easier for you to find our stuff in the future. We've got a lot of videos online, and we've got a lot more to do. But anyway, this is the end of this project for getting the leaves under the soil in our garden so it can compost over the winter time. And we just hope you have a great day and a great gardening season coming up.